Now, three new criminal laws will take effect nationwide, significantly altering India's criminal justice system and thereby replacing colonial-era legislations. In fact, effective starting today, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, as well as the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiyam, will replace the Indian Penal Code 1860, the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, and the Indian Evidence Act of 1872. Together, these three laws will govern the criminal justice jurisprudence from defining Indian penal offences, prescribed processes for investigation and evidence gathering, to even governing the process of trial in court.
The three new criminal laws are in effect from today. These laws successfully replace the laws belonging to the old colonial times. The three new criminal laws take effect nationwide, significantly altering India's criminal justice system. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiyam have now replaced the old penal code, the Code of Criminal Procedure, and the Indian Evidence Act. These laws run parallelly to the digital revolution that is currently taking on the world.
ये तीन जो नए कानून हैं जो क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम से जुड़े हुए हैं, जितने भी टेक्निकल बिंदु आते हैं उनको हम नोट करते हैं, जो भी सुझाव आते हैं उनको हम नोट करते हैं। सरकार बहुत संवेदनशील है, बहुत लंबा कंसल्टेशन करके इन तीन कानूनों को लाया गया है। देश की परिस्थितियां के लिए आवश्यक था, टेक्नोलॉजी में इतना डेवलपमेंट हो गया उसके लिए आवश्यक था, और फॉरेंसिक साइंस में इतना डेवलपमेंट हो गया है, इसलिए ये आवश्यक था।
Even the Chief Justice of India has appreciated the new criminal laws. He said that the three criminal laws are significant towards modernizing the justice system.
The new criminal laws recently enacted by Parliament encompass substantive crime, procedure, and evidence. These laws aim at digitizing various aspects of criminal procedure. This is a significant step towards modernizing the justice system. From the initial registration of a first information report to the final delivery of judgment, every stage of a criminal investigation is slated to be recorded digitally under the purview of the proposed legislation. This comprehensive approach ensures a seamless flow of information and is intended to facilitate better coordination and collaboration among stakeholders involved in the investigative and adjudicatory processes.
Let's have a quick look at the first part of the three new criminal laws, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita introduces stellar provisions. The Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiyam stands tall over the colonial Indian Evidence Act. The Supreme Court earlier refused to entertain pleas seeking directions for an expert committee to examine and assess the viability of the three new criminal laws. As India ushers in a new era of criminal justice, the implementation of these three transformative laws marks a significant shift from the colonial framework. With a focus on modernization and justice, the judicial system is all set to embrace the new reforms.
Let's go across to Soumya as well. She's outside the top court. Soumya, we understand there's already a petition in top court seeking a stay on these three criminal laws. Take us to the kind of objections being raised on these three new criminal laws.
See, Samisha, a few petitions have been put forward to, put a stay on these laws. However, we have to understand that today the curtain will finally fall on the colonial era laws, bringing in the very necessary widespread changes in the Indian judiciary system, justice system specifically, bringing in the very talked about three laws which are Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiyam, ending the colonial era laws, the Indian Penal Code, Code of Criminal Procedure, and the Indian Evidence Act. And we have to understand here that a major priority in this have been given to the modernization, bringing in the very needed modern perspective to the justice system, because things like zero FIR and online registration of police complaints and summonses through electronic mode like SMS and mandatory videography of the criminal crime area covering the crimes, heinous crimes have been introduced. Even Home Minister Amit Shah, who piloted these three laws, has said that here the priority will be given to justice, unlike the British era where the priority was given to the penal action. Back to you.
All right, Soumya, thank you for the moment. So, Soumya, they're giving us details on these three criminal laws.